Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics belongs to unit 2. The topic is second order differential equation with variable coefficient and its solution by power series method. Last 2-3 classes we have been started to discuss about Fournier's method. In this class we are going to be discuss, or I am going to be suggest to all of you one thing, that by mistakenly I written somewhat wrongly in lecture number 30. So in lecture number 30, whatever the content I given, their equation is wrongly I have been written. So I suggest to all of you that go to the page of your note belongs to the lecture number 30 and correct that one. First you watch this video and then correct that equation what I am going to be explain in this video. Okay, but that equation is belongs to our lecture number 30 video. Okay, so in our lecture number 30 we have been discussed that Fournier's series solution method. This topic we have been discussed in our lecture number 30. In this lecture, this equation or the so called solution of a power series by Fournier's method about regular singular point written mistakenly. Okay, what I written in that video you can see. This is the screenshot. You can see this is the screenshot of that video lecture number 30. You can see that here I written y x equal to x to the power k summation over n equal to 0 to infinity an x minus x0 to the power n. So this was wrongly I have been written mistakenly, but the correct one is this one. Instead of x to the power k, what I shown that our mistake, that it has to be written as x minus x0 to the power k. Summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity an x minus x0 to the power n. This one is the correct one. Whatever I have been corrected after that. So I suggest to all of you that you have to correct in your note. Go to the corresponding page of your note and correct this equation. That previously it was, this is the screenshot whatever I taken from lecture number 30. X to the power k summation over n is equal to 0 to infinity an x minus x0 to the power n, but the correct one will be this one, yx equal to x minus x0. Here the x0 is nothing but regular singular point. Okay, regular singular point. Here I also written series solution for x0 equal to 0. Previously we discussed x0 equal to 0 ordinary point. So here x0 is nothing but regular singular point. Okay, so what will be the correct one? X minus x0 to the power k n is equal to 0 to infinity an x minus x0 to the power n. Okay, do it. I suggest to all of you that go to the corresponding page of your note and correct this equation. Okay. Again I am going to be explain for you that in lecture number 30, this equation was written by mistakenly as x to the power k n is equal to 0 to infinity an x minus x0 to the power n. This was wrong. Okay, the correct one is this one, wrongly written. wrong, where here x0 is nothing but, this x0 is nothing but regular singular point, but the correct one is this one, yx equal to x to the power, sorry, x minus x0 to the power k summation over n is equal to 0 to infinitive an x minus x0 to the power n. Okay, so this will be the correct one. This here I done the mistake at that time. Now you just correct in your note this one. Okay, this one again I am going to tell to you that x to the power k, at that time I written mistakenly, but it has to be x minus x0 to the power k, where x0 is our regular singular point. Okay, you do this correction, be ready for the next class.